How to correctly create and verify a OKX account in 2024. In this video, I will show you how to create and verify an OKX account in 2024. So let's get started. First, go to the Android or Apple Store on your mobile device. Search OKX app and download it. Once downloaded, open your OKX app on your mobile device. Click on the sign up button. Choose your country from drop down list. I will choose Pakistan. Tick the box to agree to OKX terms and click next. Then click on confirm. You have three options to sign up using your mobile number, email or social account. I will sign up using Google, so I will click on the Google option. Now I will choose the email I want to use for my OKX account. Complete the puzzle security challenge. Enter your phone number for account security and click on verify. So let me enter my mobile number. Click on verify now. You will receive an OTP on your phone number. Copy the OTP and paste it into the app. Now you have successfully signed up. You can skip the passkey setup. In the upper left corner, click on the 9 dot icons. Then click on identity verification. Get verified. Click on verify button. Select your country and identity type. I will choose Pakistan and national ID card. Click on next. Then click on continue. Allow. Tick the box to consent and click start verification. Now scan the front side of your ID card. Click on next. Then scan the back side of your ID card. Now click on next. Then again next. And take your selfie. Move closer. You will receive confirmation of your identity verification within 24 hours. That's it. You have successfully created and verified your OKX account. Now you can start trading securely.